Okay, y'all, today is Wednesday, and y'all know what goes down on Wednesday. I'm at Aldi, as y'all can see in the background. I'm at Aldi, finna go in here. I think I'm only gonna grab 2 candles, y'all. But yeah, that's my plan, to only grab 2 candles, and that's gonna be it. But what's up to all my MVP riders? Thank you for always supporting your girl. Thank you for always watching everything that I post. I truly do appreciate it. Truly do appreciate that. Let me make sure I lock my doors, because y'all already know. Y'all already know. And then, of course, I didn't turn my phone off. But hopefully this video be kind of quick, because like I said, I'm not getting much this week. I'm really trying not to buy a whole lot of Aldi candles anymore. Like I told y'all in the last video, I'm only going to buy like the 3 wick candles, like the $3.99 candles, the 3 wick candles, the one that's very similar to Bath and Body Works. Those are the only candles that I'm going to buy. I might grab some of the single wicks. Not now, not today, but I'm just saying in the future, because I have enough candles and I need to be very selective on what I purchase now, because I have so many. So let's go in here and let's check out this week's candles and see, let's see what they got. See if they have any markdowns. So yeah, let's head in here and check out the goodies. See what we could find this week at Aldi. I can't believe they still have these embossed candles in the store. It don't look like nobody is buying them. I'm just saying. And then they got them marked down for $5.30, $5.29, sorry. But it don't look like nobody buying them. This week's candles, yay! $3.99 price point. You know, we love that. We love it. But as y'all do see, this store don't have as many as they normally have. Normally it be like 5 or 6 rows of candles. This time, it's only 2 rows. So, I'm just saying, y'all, Aldi tired of giving us discounted candles now. The candles are already $4. So, now we try to wait around for them to be marked down to $2.50 or $1.50. I know. Aldi, they got the memo. I'm just saying. If your store have these marked down fans, I highly recommend it. Regular price, $20, marked down to $5. It's a go. It's a go. Okay, yeah, I'm back in the car, and of course I got the broken tripod, so I have to hold the camera. Of course, they had some stuff. They had some pretty decent stuff. Not a lot that I was looking for, but y'all know I said I was going in there for 2 items and come out with 6 items. I'm just saying. But they had these fans. Let me turn it around so y'all can see. They had these fans. Girl, they had these fans. Y'all can see that. These circular fans. I think the regular price was like $20, but they had them marked down for $5. So $4.99. So I decided to grab 2 just to see how it works. If it's a pretty decent fan, but for $5, you can't beat that. So I got it in black, and I got a white one as well. I really don't like to buy items with the box all messed up. They had a lot of these, as y'all did see in the clip. But I didn't realize that the box is a little bit messed up. It's not, don't look like it's gonna be a big deal, but I really don't like to buy stuff like that. Oh, I just realized I got this music up. Sorry, y'all. So yeah, I got that. But I ended up getting 2 of the 4 candles. I got the green tea and bergamot, because I love like unique scents like this. Like that green tea is what really made me buy it. So I already know this is going to be like a spa scent, like a fresh scent, almost like, I forgot the name of that Bath and Body Works candle, green tea and aloe candle. I think it's gonna be probably similar to that. And because I'm holding the camera, yes, fresh. I really can't smell it that good. Yeah, so hopefully I like this one. But I did grab 1, and then I grabbed 2 of the oak moss and amber. I love oak moss, and so most of the time when I see that in a candle, most of the time I'm gonna grab it. So I grabbed 2. Yeah, I love how unique it smells. Oh my goodness, I love it. Yeah, it has like a soft, from what I could smell, and my sense of smell might be off still. It's most definitely soft, but we gonna see what those candles do. Those are the only candles I bought. I didn't get the other one. I think the other one was like, I don't even know. I knew I didn't want those, so I just kind of passed on them. Okay, the other 2 was Orange Blossom and Apricot. I like orange scented candles, but I really don't. Those are not the candles that I kind of run for. So I knew I was kind of on the fence, and that's a candle that I could wait for the markdown. The other one was Weekend Road Trip. To me, that one, I didn't smell in these 2 candles at all, so I can't even tell you what they smell like, but they just didn't grab me like that. Weekend Road Trip, to me, seems like it's going to be almost like that, like a beachy type of scent. I don't know. Again, I didn't smell any of these candles, but because of the whole weekend trip, I'm just assuming that it's going to give me more of that beachy scent, like a sea salt type of scent or an ocean like scent. That's just my guess. And then, like I said, with the Orange Blossom and Apricot, I could see that being very citrus. Very, very citrus, with like a sweet citrus. I probably should have grabbed that one, but again, I could wait until they mark these candles down, and I probably should have just went on and got like the single wicks, but I'll wait on these 2. I just really grabbed the ones that I really wanted. So that's gonna be it. Let me know in the comments, is this a pass week for you, or you're gonna buy candles? I know Bath and Body Works is gonna have a candle sale this weekend, and I know a lot of us is really gonna chase those new candles. Hopefully they'll be released this weekend, but I don't know. So I know a lot of people is getting ready for that stuff. So that's the reason why I said I could pass on a lot of these Aldi candles, because a lot of the times these candles is being marked down. They are. And one thing I did notice in the store, they didn't have as many candles as they normally have. Normally they have tons of candles, but this time it looked like they had only like 2 big rows, you know, like a row in the front and then a row in the back. Normally they have like 4 big rows, but I noticed that now Aldi might be slowing up on how many candles they put in the stores. So take notice of that. So if this is a candle you want, go ahead and buy it. I mean, you can take a chance and see if it's still going to be around for the markdown, but I noticed they don't have as many as they normally do. I'm happy that the prices now seem like the price is going to be the $3.99 price, which is good, because that's the reason why we shop at Aldi for their candles, because of the cheap price, the $4 price. So hopefully they stick with that. I noticed that everyday candles is still $4.29, and it looked like nobody's buying those candles. I'm just saying, every time I go in, they still have that first snow. Come on, that's a Christmas candle. You know, they still have those type of candles. So those are sitting, they're not marking them down, they're still $4.29. I don't know what's going on with that. So yes, leave in the comments, let me know, is this a skip week for you? What did you find, or what did you buy at Aldi? What is your #1 pick this week at Aldi? I think my #1 pick is this Oak Moss and Amber. Love it. This is nice. I love Oak Moss, and most of the time when I see it, I'm gonna buy it just because it's one of those unique scents. Yes, it's more of a woody type of scent, but I just, for some reason, I like it. Yeah, I like it. I like it. So I'm gonna give this one a try and see what's going on. But off of reading it, yeah, they don't come off as being super strong. So I'm hoping, fingers crossed, that these throw pretty decent. So yeah, just leave that in the comments. Let me know what was your pick this week, or you're gonna shop. Ooh, he almost hit them. Or you gonna shop this week, or is this a past week for you? Don't forget to subscribe, click the notification, follow me on all of my social media platforms, follow or use my hashtag KimbleLitWicks or KimbleLitWick. All that stuff really do help. And I'll see y'all in the next video. All right, peace.